In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record cashback and statement credits in QuickBooks. This is an important task that helps ensure your financial records are accurate and up to date, which is essential for tracking your business's performance and financial health. First, let's start by navigating to the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Here, you'll see a button that says New. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a menu with a variety of options for different types of transactions you can record. From this list, you'll want to select Credit Card Credit. This is the type of transaction that allows you to log any cash back or statement credits you've received from your credit card provider. Once you've selected Credit Card Credit, the next step involves specifying the payee if it's applicable. This can be the bank or institution from which you receive the cash back. It's important to ensure that you select the correct payee because this detail helps maintain the integrity of your financial records. In addition to selecting the payee, you'll also need to designate the bank or credit account associated with the cashback. This is typically the same account where the credit was applied. Selecting the correct account ensures that your QuickBooks records reflect your actual financial statements, making it easier to reconcile later on. Now, let's turn our attention to the date. Make sure you enter the exact date the cashback or statement credit was received. Having the accurate date ensures that all your records line up correctly when you generate reports and helps you maintain chronological order within your financial data, which is crucial for accurate accounting and audit purposes. Next, you'll need to select Other Portfolio Income as the account category. This is an important step because it categorizes the credit appropriately within your financial statements. Usually, that cashback might not be a regular income item, so Other Portfolio Income serves as an appropriate designation. Additionally, it's a good idea to add a description in the relevant field. The description should clearly indicate the nature of the credit, such as monthly cashback award or credit statement adjustment. Including a comprehensive description will make it easier for you or anyone else reviewing the records to understand what this particular credit pertains to, which can be invaluable during audits or when reviewing your financial history. Finally, you'll need to enter the exact amount of the cashback or statement credit you've received. Accuracy here is key to ensure that your financial records align with your actual bank or credit card statements. Once you've input all these necessary details, it's time to complete the process. Simply click Save and Close to finalize the entry. And with that, you're done. It might seem like a lot of steps at first, but once you're familiar with the process, it becomes straightforward, and you'll be able to quickly and easily keep your financial records accurate and up to date in QuickBooks.